So all of you mute your mic. So now we are going to do case study question number 15, and this is also I have taken from sample paper basic. This question is based on mensuration surface areas and volumes. The mathematics teacher of a school took her 10th standard students to show Red Fort. It was a part of their educational trip. The teacher had interest in history as well. She narrated facts of Red Fort to students. Then the teacher said, in this monument one can find combination of solid figures. There are two pillars, this one and this two, which are cylindrical in shape. Also two domes at the corners, which are hemispherical. Okay, hemispherical. This one, even this also, this two also, and seven smaller domes at the center. This one. Flag hosting ceremony on Independence Day takes place near these domes. Okay, these domes. Now, based on this, some questions will be there, and that we have to solve. The first question: how much cloth material will be required to cover two big domes, each of radius 2.5 meters? Okay, and we have to use pi is equals to 22/7. So to cover the dome, we required only curved surface area. So dome कौन सा shape में है? Cylindrical. So what is the CSA of cylinder? नहीं, dome is in the shape of hemisphere. So what is the CSA of hemisphere?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. So two big domains are there. So the cloth material required is equals to 2 into surface area of hemisphere, that is CSA, 2 pi r square. So 4 into 22/7 into 2.5 into 2.5. Okay. So 2.5 into 2.5 into 88 divided by 7. So we are getting 78.57 approximately. So which option is the correct one?
Second option.
Second option, right. So now we'll move toward the second question. Write the formula to find the volume of cylindrical pillar. So what is the volume of cylinder?
Pi r square.
Right. So which option is the correct one?
A.
Right. Okay. So third question. Find the lateral surface area of two pillars if height of the pillar is 7 meter and the radius of the base is 1.5 meter. So the shape of the pillar, it is given in the form of cylinder. Lateral surface area of cylinder is
2 pi RH.
very good, 2 pi RH. So two pillars are there, so we have to multiply with 2. So height is given 7 meter and radius is given 1.4 meter, and the lateral surface area, that is curved surface area of two pillars, is 2 into 2 pi RH. So ये हो जाएगा 4 into 22/7 into 1.4 into 4. Okay. So now if you multiply 88 with 1.4, so you'll get 123.2 meters square. So which option is the correct one?
B.
Right, the B one. Now fourth bit. How much is the volume of a hemisphere if the radius of the base is 3.5 meter? What is the volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r
Pi
cube.
Very good. 2/3 pi r cube. So we'll substitute the value of pi and r here. Okay. Now we have to simplify. We have to do calculation. So I'm getting 89.83. So which option is the correct one?
Fourth option.
Third option. The
Fourth option. Okay, fine. So now last question. What is the ratio of sum of volumes of two hemispheres of radius 1 centimeter each to the volume of sphere of radius 2 centimeter? So what is the volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r cube.
Right. And we have two hemispheres, so we have to multiply with 2. and the value of r is 1, so we'll substitute 1 here. So we are getting 4 upon 3 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of sphere, what is the formula of volume of sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
वेरी गुड, 4 अपॉन 3 पाई आर क्यूब. अब यहाँ पे r का वैल्यू 2 है, सो 2 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. सो 8 इंटू 4 विल गेट 32 बाई 3 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दिस टू वॉल्यूम, तो दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे पाई बाई 3 कैंसिल हो रहा है, एंड व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 4 बाई 32. अगेन सिंप्लीफाई,
1 by 8.
1 by 8. So what is the final answer?
1 is to 8.
1 is to 8. B bit.
B bit.
Right? So this is the last question. देखो यहाँ पर दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जा सकता है. The ratio of the volume of cylinder and cone with same base with same height. That question also can be asked. Okay? So बहुत सारे questions यहाँ पे पूछा जा सकता है. So this is the last question. Now we'll move. We'll see the next case based questions in the next one. Okay. So thank you very much.